Hey guys, welcome to a brand new video vlog finally here on my YouTube channel. Today we are in Denver, Colorado. We just had a 2 hours of drive and right now we are in Guffey, Gorge or Paradise Cove. Really cool hiking, and then there is this cliff with a place that we can swim and jump into the water. It's so beautiful. We're gonna get really cool shots, drone shots, everything, so keep watching because it is so beautiful. Alright guys, let's walk.
We are still high. We're still waiting for our friend. For nimoultv to come.
Let's go. I already came, come on. I'm hoping that we are going to be able to do some kind of cliff jumping. But we've never been here. Everything has been brought to you through Google search, so let's enjoy. Can you hear people screaming? Listen. We can literally hear people screaming out there. They are probably jumping, and oh my god, I'm starting to be scared. You see them?
Oh.
They're jumping from the
Oh. Oh. I got good Sonia. It's only 2 seconds.
Only 2 seconds? You know you can die in 2 seconds. That was one of the best things that I've ever done apart from doing YouTube. That was so fucking scary, but totally worth it. You see over there? There's a group of deers just chilling and hanging out. Look at that. Isn't that awesome? Welcome to the day 2 of our trip to Colorado. Today we tried to come and check out this beautiful place called Rocky Mountains National Park, but the problem is you have to have a reservation in advance in order to be able to get in. You see the sky? It's due to the fire going on around the Rocky Mountain area. Oh my god, you see the color? It's gray, and look at this side. It's blue. Guys, good news. They opened the gate and we are about to enter Rocky Mountains National Park. Oh my god, so beautiful, so excited. So let's check this place out. So, this is where we're going. Alright, we have about 1 mile until we get to the Dream Lake. The trail are kind of packed, that's why I have my mask on. So let's get her going. Having those squirrels in the footage was awesome and unexpected. I'm so happy that we caught them on camera. Oh my god, they are so cute. Isn't this beautiful? But this is not the lake we are going for yet. Almost there. Almost there. Look at this backdrop. Woo! This is exciting. Finally we got here. Okay. Got the lake. Oh my god. Alright, I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. I definitely love Colorado and all of the countryside and all of the nature that is untouched out here. I'm gonna say goodbye from Dream Lake. Thank you for watching. If you haven't already, make sure to subscribe and turn on your bell notifications. Until the next video, be safe and goodbye.